video, we did more of the same. If the denominators are the same, you can divide just straight across, and you get 18 over 15, and then you would simplify that. 18 divided by 3 is 6. 5 divided by 3 is, or sorry, 15 divided by 3 is 5. I get 6/5 or 1 and 1/5. Over here, 3 divided by 1 works great, but 10 divided by 4, 10/4 does not. And so you would use that, take a look at the left side or on the right side, flip it over, and then you multiply. Um, you've got 3/10 times 4 over 1 equals 12/10, which is the same as 6/5. And here we go. So I've got a few. 10 divided by 1/5. 10 divided by 1/5 is the same as 10 over 1 divided by 1/5 is the same, equals. Take a look at the right side, flip it over, then you multiply. Or keep the first, flip the second, change the sign to multiply. And I get 50 over 1, or just plain old 50. Now, 3/5 is just going to be 50 divided by 3, but I'll set it up the same way. 10 over 1 divided by 3/5 equals um, uh, 10 over 1 times 5 over 3, which is 50 over 3. And I can just type that. I don't need to simplify it. 50 over 3. Um, 3 and 3/4 divided by 3/8 equals 4 times 3 is 12. So 3 is 12/4 plus 3 is 15/4. And then divided by 3/8. Sorry, I almost tried to do two steps at once, and I shouldn't do that. 15/4 times 8/3. Now, this is one where I'm going to simplify before I multiply. These numbers are getting way too big. 4 goes into 8 2 times. 3 goes into 15 5 times. I get that the answer is just 10. 1/2 divided by 5/3. I can't do it straight across, so I take a look at the right side, I flip it over, and then I multiply, and I get 3/10. 3/10. Okay, here we go. How many groups of 3 are in 4.5? That means to take 4.5 divided by 3/4. 2 times 4 is 8, plus 1 is 9, so that's the same as 9/2. Divided by 3/4 equals 9/2. Flip it over, and then you multiply. I get 36 over 6, which is just 6. How many? You've got 2 and 2/3 divided by 3/4. 6 8/3 divided by 3/4 is the same as 8/3 times 4/3. I get 32/9, and I can just leave it as that. I don't need to simplify that. Next, if 2.5 divided by, oh yeah, use the equation. So I've got 2.5 divided by 1/8. That's the same as 5/2 times 8 over 1. And if that equals 20, then 5/8 is going to be 5/2 times 8/5. And so if I take 20 and I divide it by 5, I'm going to get 4 as an answer. But if I simplify, that's 1 and 1, 1 and 4. Yeah, I get that equals 4. And it's weird, but to get from 1/8 to 5/8, we multiply by 5. So we had to divide to compensate. And so 90 songs is 40%. If 90 songs is 40%, so 90 equals 40 over 100. If I just divide by 10, that's 4. Divide by 10, I get 10 times 9 times 9. 4 times 9 is 36. Bashir has listened to 36 songs. If you need 2 cups of cereal, 1/4 cup of raisins, and 2/3 cups of almonds, if I multiply that by 3, I get 6 3/4, and 2/3 times 3 is just 2. If I multiply by 4, I get 8 1, and then I get 8/3. Okay, so let's do 6 3/4, 2, 8 1, and 8/3. Next. Put these in order from least to greatest. Well, the one divided by the biggest number is going to be the smallest, and the one divided by the smallest number is going to be the biggest. And so if you divide by a small number, you get a big quotient. Submit. Let's see how I did. Yay, I got them all right. If you have any questions, please ask in class. If not, I will see you in the next video.